About emerging crisis among Sri Lanka's young model who is 28 years old. I think she was born on 1992 November 22nd in Rajagiriya, studied at Rajagiriya. I think Piyumi Hansamali had studied at Revata Vidyalaya Rajagiriya, and she mentions today on lankacnews.com this website regarding, and she challenges the as a model. Piyumi Hansamali challenges the comments made by like a media personality like Chamudita Samaravikrama, who had made a comment, and she says, Piyumi Hansamali says that Chamudita Samaravikrama, who is a male, had been a very good media media man, according to the Sinhala translation to English. And Chamudita had tried to talk about herself. That is, Chamudita has tried to talk about like a female evil called Piyumi Hansamali, and Piyumi Hansamali's birthday, and Piyumi Hansamali's makeup pouch. And this is said by herself. Piyumi Hansamali says that Chamudita is talking about Piyumi Hansamali like a female evil devil, and her birthday party and her makeup pouch, and then thereby Chamudita is trying to be like a big man, big-headed man, and finally Chamudita, she says, has ended up as the Sri Lanka's biggest joker. Then she goes on to say that nobody has even commented on Chamudita's these programs, even though she has gone through just to have a fun about the comments. Now this shows the mentality of this lady, female model, or the mother of one boy, Piyumi Hansamali, who seems to be a little bit frustrated at her age, 28 years old. And she further says on this message, which is published on lankacnews.com, Chamudita, you are very, I feel sorry for you, brother. Your mouth is too much big, but don't sell your soul for money. Now, Piyumi Hansamali's message to this prominent media personality, Mr. Chamudita, and they say, don't be a media personality selling your soul for money. But we'll look at that statement later. But she also says don't do your program on TV reading the newspapers early morning, and now you have become a big man by talking about Piyumi Hansamali. She says herself, referring to her own name, herself. And then now she one thing has happened, whatever the karmic, the nature's law of karma will come after you very soon. Now he also says, Piyumi Hansamali says that the person who has come out of the jail, that I think she's referring to Duminda Silva, let him work alone for poor. Therefore, you, Chamudita, don't just go behind others and promoting other people on media, and don't do your job on the media, but please, a lot of merits to you for future good karma if you go home, like that. Now this statement by this young mother of 28-year-old Piyumi Hansamali is a bit of a question mark that indicates like a thuggish level, frustrated behavior. Because if you look at her background, Piyumi Hansamali, she married, I think, at the age of 18, because no records are available to verify these details. Nobody knows, but I think she married before that at a teenage age. Either she got raped or something like that, as far as I can assume, which cannot be verified. And later she had given birth to a first and only child, a boy, and she's recorded, it seems like married, but then her husband is not known, and she doesn't either talk about the husband. She says it's a personal matter not to disclose the husband. But the thing is, her background is from Rajagiri, a little bit, under low class income levels. But then the thing is not that her continuous exploitation, similar to Anarkali, Akarsha, being exploited by the Sri Lankan politicians. That time even she was exploited. Not only that, she was given the provincial council at the Southern Provincial Council, and then later she was thrown out without anything. She was not a model even, and then finally she lost. And then I tweeted about this matter. Then the US, one of the doctors, prominent doctor Javadra, married her, now Anarkali in US. So I hope the same thing should be done to this lady Pumi Hansimali and her, because it's little pathetic to treat a female like this. She could have done certain mistakes at the young age, but then that must not be a reason to treat her like this. And not only that, she's being under some pressure to attack other prominent personalities, and since she has no education background, she also goes on just for survival doing whatever she's being forced to say. This is of course the major factor. So I kindly request the US government or somebody to American Sri Lankan to take her there, because her life here would be a disaster here in Sri Lanka, and the best thing is to give her access to America or Great Britain, and thereby ensuring the future well-being of herself and her son, and also making sure that she can get married again and look after her son, without going back to her old profession, the world's oldest profession, I think, which she's part now, even though she's a model. So this has to be looked in from a more like a humankind approach, because people can do mistakes, but then this way of treating her is absolutely wrong. This is one of the images with the son, and I think this whole situation can aggravate, and she can be used to attack prominent personalities. Even the people like Ranjan Ramanayaka became a victim because of associations through her, and then now Chamudita, who is a media personality, getting again any type of like bad remarks through her, and I think this is her son, I think, and this way of bringing up of a son would not be really advisable, right? Because in Sri Lankan culture, the children, boys must be brought up in a different way, not this way. So therefore I think she must be supported to a better life.